What's up, everybody? Hopefully you can hear me. I think that everything should be running. We have a new graphic design on the stream, so let me know in the comments what you think about it. Let me just adjust one thing, and we're gonna start with some live trading. Once again, we will have a look at the US market opening. BTC doing the thing that we were expecting in the morning. We are getting moved to the upside to the key level, hitting the naked POC. So yeah, let's get ready. We have 7 minutes until the US opening time. So let's do some TA here. We're gonna check gold, we're gonna check BTC. Gold got a crazy pump to the upside, a little bit unexpected. Got stopped out in a break even on a short. We're gonna talk about this a little bit. On the BTC I took one loss today, which is a bit unfortunate because now the trade would play out. But I was saying that it's a little bit of a riskier setup. So it's fine in the end. So yeah, let's check BTC. So what is happening right now is we are trying to retest, or we are retesting the previous range or previous upward sloping channel low. So as you can see, guys, right here we are hitting the low, right now getting rejected. This is also a previous day value area high with some naked POC. So this is a very big intraday level of resistance. We will see if we can reclaim it or not. Do I have a bias for a session? Honestly, not really today. We have a naked POC of a London session with the VWAP confluence below, so I would expect that we're gonna get a rotation to the downside first before moving higher, but we will see. Obviously, as always, this would be the level of support that I would be paying attention to. So let's say it's more of a $100 area, but 29,300 to like 29,200, maybe 29,180 would be a local support level to be aware of. So let's draw it on a chart. Right there. So this is the thing that we are looking for right now. It's also giving us confluence with the market structure. Okay, so keep this in mind. Obviously, you can get some bounce here and continue higher from this. So this would be the first setup that I would be looking for. On the gold, let's have a look on the gold. We are trying to reclaim this daily level. Okay, so once we will get acceptance back, I believe we will go to the downside, hitting the VWAP. On gold, I have a bearish bias since the volume behind the move is not huge, or it's just not so good like you would expect on such a big move to the upside, because obviously we bounced today from the horizontal level 1811. I unfortunately missed this trade. I was waiting for this, but when it was happening I didn't have all the confluences I wanted to see, so I did not enter. In the end I missed the whole move to the upside, which was a little bit unlucky. But then we stopped at 1828, 1828.775. And I took a short position here. Basically what happened is we retested this lower daily, and we gotta move to the upside. So I got stopped out here. So yeah, overall today I'm in a small loss, but that's just how it is in a trading. You can't make money all the time, which is just a fact. So basically what I would be looking for, acceptance back below the daily, shorting, stop loss above these highs, and looking for a move to at least 1828. I would definitely prefer, or I would like to see move to the daily POC and a VWAP. Daily POC 1816. Do I believe we can hit this level? We will see how it will go, or how it will go to the upside. Then we can make some decision from this. VWAP, I believe, a little bit higher, 1820, 23, 1824. So this would be very nice to actually see another rotation down. So I'll be looking for a setup that would look like this. Basically, I want to see first 5 minutes of US market opening before entering a position, because it can get a very I wanted to say bloody, but obviously bloody for shorts. It can get a very pumpy or bullish to the upside. We will see what they will do. So this is the plan right now. We have some local supports on a gold. They will be coming in. First one, 1832, then we have 1828, 1824, 1822, and 1816. So we have a lot of intraday levels. I'm not saying that I will be taking profits if I will take a position on every single of these. Obviously that wouldn't be smart move. So we're gonna wait for reaction or around these levels, and we're gonna make some decision from this. So let's get ready. We have 3 minutes. I'm really excited. I honestly enjoying these live trading sessions. It's so good. Yesterday was perfect session. I really enjoyed it one. So yeah, amazing. Around the POC, we have 7.4 million, 8.7 million, 5.6 million buys. This level will be acting as a really strong support level intraday, not like a swing trade, obviously. But let's have a look for 1 hour time frame on a BTC. On a BTC, we were basically paying attention to, which is a little bit, it got front run a little bit, but basically the thing that we were paying attention to was that ABCD pattern, if you remember, yesterday. So the target of this was 28,400. I'm not saying that we are not going to hit this level. We have to be a little bit more patient, but once we will get acceptance back in this range, in this parallel channel, it can get another rotation to the upside. So this is definitely important thing to pay attention to. This low, why we stopped down there? I was waiting for taking the liquidity below here, so grabbing a liquidity pool, then move to the upside. It did not happen. So for me, the trading plan today is not going extra well. Like I said, I'm in a 1% loss, but that's how it is. It's not every day. You're not gonna make money every single day, and it's still not the end of the day. So I believe that we will make some money here from the US session. Let's wait and see. On the other hand, I wasn't like spending a lot of time in front of a chart today, so that will be the reason too. So yeah, we have a value area set up in play, which is important thing to mention. I believe that on 1 hour time frame it's coming a little bit higher, though I would be paying attention to the one on a Delta Cluster template, which is a previous day value area high. We can view this as a hit already. So we will see if BTC can actually reclaim previous day value area high and continue higher from this, or we will get rejected, retest the POC, London POC, VWAP, eventually losing the level and go into the downside. So 29,100 to 29,300 is a very big intraday support level. Would I long this level? Most likely yes. We're gonna see the reaction, but we have a lot of confluences why we should take this position. So this is the plan for today. I hope that you are enjoying the stream. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get ready. We have 10 seconds until the US opening time. So let's pay attention to this. Gold's still getting acceptance above this daily. So let's say what they're gonna do. If they will get acceptance back, I'm shorting. And here we are. So the thing that we will do, we're gonna pay attention to the Delta Cluster template. I want to see the volume, what will be happening here, if we will have a lot of it. On S&P, we filled the gap that I was mentioning yesterday, and we created another one which is higher from here, but not so far away, like $20, $24, $25. On S&P, a lot of times what you get is move to the opposite direction and then filling the gap. So this was the case yesterday, I believe. No, actually yesterday we started. Let me check that. I'm pretty sure we opened right here. No, actually yesterday we continued in the direction, but a lot of times you just see move to the upside or either downside, choppy a little bit, and then basically seeing the move to the opposite direction. So yeah, plan on a gold, very simple one, which is the thing that we want to do. We want to have a simple plan. As a trader, you don't want to do a lot of like a complexity. Simpler it is, better it is. That's just a fact. And we basically retested this range, which is this range high will be acting as a support too. Will it be a really big one? You need to remember one thing, which is very important, and I'm mentioning this all the time. But POCs, they work like a magnet, right? So basically price is being attracted to it. So when you are going to the POC, so the direction in this case we will be going down, it's likely the POC will be hit. Important thing to know about or to keep in mind. this is what I'm paying attention to. Let's have a look for gold yesterday, if we got any heavy impulsive or heavy volatility at the start of the session. Actually, not really yesterday. Let's check the day before. No, I believe that, and I said this, but I believe that on a London session, you are actually getting much better. At the start of the London session, you are actually getting much better reaction from a gold than from a US. BTC is the opposite. And simply we can check the volume to actually confirm this. So I like to see the real data, right? Not guessing. So basically yesterday volume on the US market 492 million. London or Europe 321, and the Asia will be the lowest one, 231 million. So this is what we would expect actually. Today Asia 252, Europe much better than yesterday 422, and the US we are here for 3 minutes and we have already 10 millions, but that's not a lot. You would genuinely expect a little bit more, but we will see. If you are guys here for not for the first time on just opening time, you know that I like to call first, let's say 2, 3, 4 minutes pairing process, which basically the big orders on a big exchanges, they are being paired here, and then from let's say 13:35 to 15:35 to 15:40 my time, which is the UTC +2 zone Prague time. It's a directional move for the session, not all the time, but more than not. I'm still doing some research about it, still doing some statistics, which I'm really the type of guy in trading, not really in personal life, but I like to have statistics everywhere, which I believe is a really like a good way to or a good thing to do in trading, because then you can remove your emotions pretty easily once you have a data, once you have statistics. Simply because you know that something that you are looking for is, you know, plain more than not. And because if you don't have I know that I keep repeating the same things every day, but for me they are just really important, and they are really the fundamentals that are, I believe, changing from the losing trader to winning trader. Is once you have a statistics, once you did the research, and once you found what is working and what is not working, you're really gonna remove your emotions from a trade. By the way, I'm short on a gold, but you're really gonna remove your emotions from a trading, because you will know that this and this is playing out more than not. So yeah, we got acceptance back on a 5-minute time frame. Back below the daily, stop loss would be above these highs. Once we will take out these highs, I'm simply invalidated on the idea and I'm wrong on the trade. Right now it looks better, or it looks good. So maybe I can cover some of the losses from the morning on a BTC. I'll be looking really for this 1828. I believe we can hit this level. We will see we will have a look for a reaction around this level. We will see. Really nice start of the US session here. We have to lose this weekly right now, which is very important. Let's have a look for a volume. Okay, we have a lot of selling volume, which is the thing we want to see here. Jan, descending channel. Where? Descending channel where? On a gold? No, I guess not on a gold. I don't see any descending channel. Maybe I'm just maybe I just don't see it. You can be right, but yeah, I don't see it at the moment. So let me know, or send it to the Discord which one you mean. But let me know what you think about the new design, by the way. Oh, Tony, love the new look. Yeah, I just have to change the upper bar, like the banner. It's the text needs to be a little bit higher. It's not in the middle, but yeah. Sorry, on BTC. Let's have a look, mate. I don't see any descending channel. I see uptrending. Or upward sloping. Let's have a look for a bigger time frame. Maybe you are right. I could be. You know, when I have a key levels, I'm I'm not doing like any other TA here, so I wasn't like checking for some descending channels. Oh yeah, okay, I know what you are talking about, I guess. You mean this, I believe. Why it's so buggy? Let me reload this page. I'm really like hyped for today's stream. I just love the new intro, which looks amazing in my opinion, and the music is even better. I just like how it fits with the timing. I think you are talking about maybe this. Let's have a look for gold. Okay, gold heavily getting rejected, which is a perfect thing to see here. Looking for this 1828. That would be amazing to hit. Look for a chat. Okay. General chat. Yeah. So. Yeah, this was the thing I was mentioning, but mate, I believe that this one, the upper one that I have on the chart, is, you know, we have a pretty fine defined highs and pretty fine defined lows, and we basically lost the channel. Now it's been retested with the previous day value area high confluence. I'm paying a little bit more attention to this one actually, but I'm not saying that you are wrong. You are not, but in my opinion, this is just like a, I don't want to say better looking one, but yeah. I think you could grade in these blue bars like violet blue. Yes, I was actually thinking about it too. So it will be like a wizard's color. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do some changes to the color. It's just this one is the one that we use on the website. So let me open the website. Or in the videos I use this blue one. But yeah, I guess it will be good looking. Okay, we are trying to hold this weekly, which I don't really like. If you will hold this, I'm gonna close the trade, obviously. It shouldn't be like a big intraday support, but gold likes to retest these horizontals. That's important thing to mention. A lot of longs opening aggressive into this level of 29,700. Let's have a look. But yeah, I don't believe we are, or we actually have some bearish divergence. Oh my god, 13 million, 5.3, 3.8, 6.7 now. We have a lot of it. And yeah. So this is very simple actually. Once people lose this upper range, which is here, we will see something like this to the blue box. Could be short position, like a aggressive scalp. No financial advice, obviously. You saw the trading disclaimer at the start of this the stream. But the thing I would be looking for: breakdown, stop loss on the midpoint or a little bit above. Depends on the risk and reward. I would be targeting the blue box, and maybe stop loss like here, 2.5 risk and reward. That's not bad in my opinion. Not bad at all. So yeah, this would be the thing I would be looking for right now. Could be possible setup on a BTC, giving us risk and reward 2.5, not the best one, but not the worst one. Reasonable trade in my opinion. Definitely is. On a gold, let's have a look for a gold. I like the volume of this candle. We still have 17 minutes and the volume is really big. It will be a reversal candle in my opinion, but if we will close the 1 hour above the daily horizontal, it's really bad looking for my short. My entry 1838, which is a little bit below the daily. I'm gonna post the money short after I'm gonna finish the stream. I'm trading this on FTMO. But right now, okay. Oh, we are getting another rotation to the upside. Seems like they won't continue with the gold higher. There's a POC of this. Okay, POC is here. I don't want to see POC being reclaimed. Simply, I'm going to be cutting the trade up here. 1841. Now it's not so good looking, let's be honest. Volume is still decreasing. We don't have a lot of volume, but we don't have a lot of liquidity up here. So no one heavily absorbing on a gold. Oh, on a BTC we are dipping. Okay. Yeah, we are going for this blue box most likely. Yeah, the volume is really poor, but there is no one really selling on the gold. You also printed a lot of single prints today. Here. Like a lot of them. Then here, but we filled them now. Okay. God, looking like I'm gonna get stopped out here. Yeah. I'm about to get stopped out. Still in, but that will be important to see 1 hour candle close. If below daily, that would be very nice, but still 30 minutes, some might get stopped out before it's going to happen. I just don't want to be like, you know, extending my stop loss, or not really the thing you should do. Like a really quick buyback. Here you see quick wick. Let's have a look for BTC. Okay. Yeah, we are stopping at the previous range high right now. I missed the scalp. Unfortunately, I was looking at gold, and this was a very quick one. But yeah, it's going to play out. This can happen sometimes. Probably if I wouldn't be streaming, I would catch it, because I have 2 monitors. Now only one. On the second one I have a Streamlabs, but yeah, that sucks. Let's set up an alert. I would miss it even if I would have alert. Let's be honest. It was like extremely quick. But let's have a look for OBV. OBV looks pretty bearish on a gold. Like pretty bearish, but this is 1 minute time frame. That's crazy. 5 minute not selling anything at all. This candle looks really bearish too right now on a gold, but I'm still in the trade, give or take around the break even now, but it seems like we are still holding this upper daily. We retested this weekly, which is another thing I wanted to see. And this was also the previous high, so this was flipping into support. That's why we got a bounce here. You still have to think about it like this. We have this POC of the day really down, and this is like a triple distribution day. I would expect that at least the second distribution will be retested, but as always, we will see. Let's have a look if we have a lot of momentum behind the move. And here we see the correlation with the BTC and the gold. Basically, BTC started to go a little bit higher. On a gold, we got a really quick move to the downside. Then gold started pumping, and now we are getting a really quick move to the downside on BTC. A lot of new shorts opening right now, and obviously longs from this upper range getting stopped out, which is we had a really crazy number here. So I'll be looking for some sign of absorption down there to take a long. Let's have a look for data sentiment. I want to see the sentiment of the market. Oh my goodness. Negative 22 million on this candle from the big players, and it's more of a 15 million longs closing, 8.4 million new shorts being opened. Seems like we have quite a lot of momentum. Don't really know if I want to long this. Like a big player is really heavily opening right now. But I would be at least a little bit more cautious, or trying to risk a little bit more. Sorry, a little bit less. Not more. But yeah, hitting the blue box now. I'm not entering into anything at the moment. This is creating some upper range once again. Will take some time, in my opinion, to get some either up or down. I can be wrong though. Did we hit the POC of the London? I don't think so. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, we did. We stopped exactly at it. What about open interest looking now? Let's have a look for the open interest. Yeah, the open interest is let's go for 5 minute time frame. Okay, so the first move, obviously more longs getting stopped. And the good thing about this is we stopped all of the longs from the upper range, I believe. You see 5.3 million, 13 million, 6.7, and here negative 24. So give or take, most of them are stopped out or liquidated. Yeah, definitely VWAP is a support. That's like pretty clear here. Okay, OBV is starting to look more bullish on gold. I would pay attention to the 1 hour candle close if they will actually try to hold it above or below. We still have 7 minutes, so we will see how this is going to progress here. But since the BTC is running into support, we could expect different thing from the gold, but you shouldn't really be trading like this. Not at all. So let's have a look for some absorption, if we have something. Oh yeah, new short still opening. 1.7 million, 1.3, 1.1, 1.3 once again. I would really like to see that VWAP to be hit though. How it looks on Exo charts. Hey, we are still quite far away. I think we will extend to the VWAP. But I don't want to long this. I will rather miss out than entering now and then seeing that it's going through VWAP, so I don't have a sniper entry here. Maybe once we will reclaim the high of the previous range again, that could be good here. Which is happening right now. Okay, we have negative 3.8 million delta on this candle, but are still closed green heavily. So we see some kind of absorption down there. Yeah, we see a lot of trapped shorts. 6.5 million, which is quite a lot. Below it 2.2, 5.2, 4.6, a lot of it down there. They will still push it to the VWAP, I believe. I'm not longing, even though now it looks a little bit more bullish. Just, for me, this is too risky. Simply said. Oh, EMA. No, I'm not looking at the EMA. But I mean, if it's working for you, why not, right? But it's not what I use. Let's have a look for 1 hour time frame, CVD. I want to see if we have any divergence. Yeah, we got a bullish one, 10 a.m. Okay, nothing at all here. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so the previous day value area high is hit. So another value area setup played out, even though this wasn't the best one at all. Not the best one. This is an indicator that comes with the Wizards membership. So the trade looked like this today. And it's giving you a wrong value on a 5-minute time frame. I don't know why. But in the morning it was at the right value. The trading view is still messing with the previous day value area highs and lows. So for this, it's better to use Exo charts. I'm saying this all the time. I don't know why there is a difference between them. I really don't know. There just is. what gold is doing. We are still trying to push through the daily horizontal, which seems like a hard thing to do now. We still have 2 minutes and 30 seconds. That will be very, very important here, I believe. Can put music more down, thanks. No, I can. I'm kidding. Thanks for mentioning this. Because I hear myself from the microphone. It's I have like a monitoring, and I don't hear music like the real volume of it. So thanks for mentioning this. Appreciate it a lot. Appreciate it a lot. Are you new here? I don't remember your nickname, but maybe you are not. I'm just like a lot of new people joining now, so hard for me to spot who is who. Let me delete this. This is not the thing that we are looking for right now. It might be a little bit confusing. Okay, so we got a nice move to the upside from that blue box. We front run the VWAP. Now we are going for a VWAP, in my opinion. Oh, this is so technical, this trading. For me, I just changed my style a little bit now. So normally, or 3 months ago, for me here would be 3 trades now. So first one, I will be taking this breakdown. Then I will be longing this blue box, and I'll be shorting from the previous range retest. But why I changed my style? Well, I want to have a little bit more free time, because this is why I started doing trading. I want to have a free time, and when you are scalping like this, it's just so exhausting. That's the thing number one. You have to be sitting in front of the monitor whole day to catch these moves, and sometimes it's a little bit annoying when you just don't have any moves at all. And now I'm just waiting for bigger moves. You know, I do some TA in the morning. I preset alerts. When the alert is hit, I'm going to the PC, checking what's happening here, and eventually entering a position. Then, you know, I'm either monitoring the trade or putting hard stop loss and a hard TP, and I'm leaving, and I can do whatever I want, which is like so nice about it. But more than not, I'm actually monitoring the position, since it's still I'm a day trader. But in the future, I really would like to go more in depth with the swing trading, and like, you know, being able to travel, do the TA 1 hour a day. Yeah, I'm checking chat. Exactly as predicted. Yeah. Oh yeah, actually, I was posting this today, but more likely it will extend to 29,700. Let's have a look where we stopped. Yeah, 29,700. That was a good prediction. Yeah. So guys, if you want to join us for being able to see this chat, which is only for Wizard members, but this is not the best part of it. Best part is you will get access to the learning section, and you can learn this by yourself. But go to the website, plans and pricing, $70 a month. It's up to you if you're gonna buy 4 Starbucks coffees, or you will join Wizards and you can start learning something new. Oh, okay, we closed above the... Yeah. Closed above. They are still rotating in this range. You're in London? No, I'm from Czech Republic. Not in London. Let's have a look for volume. Okay, volume looks more bullish here. But we are still not taking these highs. Once we'll break out of this range, I'm just gonna close without any emotions. Just I'm gonna take the L here. Okay, so where we could be possibly going on a BDC? Let's have a look. Do we have some new daily up here? Yeah, we do. We do have 30,400 is a new daily level. So that's definitely another resistance on the chart. Where we could possibly be aiming. Daily. Do we have any naked POCs? Like I said, they works like a magnet, so... not at all. Okay. Gold is hitting my stop loss here. Oh, that's a really quick move up. So another short on the gold. It's a little bit of catching a really big pump, right? It's not really the thing you want to see or you want to do, but for me there wasn't any long trade today. Like the entry rules just weren't met, which sucks, but it's just a fact. Oh yeah, this is very simply another resistance. It's 1850 area, 1850, 1852. Crazy pump on the gold. Do you trade only BTC from crypto? Maybe you could check Ethereum or other alts. Concerned about one fact, do EXO works for altcoins too in the same way as for BTC? Yeah, same theory on alts. And obviously you can change the instrument from a BTC USD to the Ethereum, for example. So now you see Ethereum here. But yeah, I'm not trading them. Just trading on a BTC and gold 99% of the time. SFP on BTC. Looks like it though. I would probably not gonna take this one. It seems you have like a lot of buying, a lot of new open interest coming to the market. Even though you trap some longs into the previous day value area high, seems too risky for me. It retested these previous highs perfectly. That's crazy. So we are looking for this as a first level of support on gold. Simply from the market structure perspective, won't be the strongest one. I mean, you can take this as a risky scalp with a stop loss back above this and basically go in for a VWAP, risk and reward 3.2, but it's a risky scalp. It really is. I'm not taking this one. I believe that we can extend higher since we have really a lot of buys here from like a big players. Yeah, 21 million. That's crazy. But into the previous day value area high, but yeah, still, that's just like a crazy amount of buying. Not worth to take the risk, in my opinion. Not at all. So yeah guys, we have a very clear plan once again. I would be looking for this daily if we will reclaim previous day value area high, which is a key level here. We will also get acceptance back. Now, would I take this risky trade? I'm not taking it since basically I lost 2 trades already today. So I want to take only the highest probability ones now. And yeah. On a gold, I would be looking for this 1852, 1850 area, which is a high probability trade for me, by the way. That would be the thing I would be looking for, with a really tight stop loss. You wouldn't expect big players to buy into resistance, right? Well, you can't really say this, because you need to have big players buying once the resistance is broken, right? So if you will be trying to break through the big resistance, they will be heavily buying into it, closing price to move through it. You can do this on Twitch. No, I will be doing this on YouTube. I don't know. I don't even have a Twitch account. I just like this more on a YouTube. Yeah, for me, I don't see setup right now. Maybe once we will reclaim previous day value area high, could be quite safe long to the daily up here. On a gold, waiting game right now. So yeah guys, this is everything for today. Thanks for watching, appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel, give the live stream like. That would be very, very nice. If you want to join Wizards, you want to start learning, visit our website. Obviously not the best example today since I'm down 2% on the account, but it's just how it is sometimes. Sometimes it's, you can't lose all the time, or sorry, you can win all the time. And basically the last 3 streams that we made, so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we've really predicted the movement exactly, which was amazing. So yeah, today not the best day. Obviously on a BDC, very, very nice prediction once again, but I didn't execute the trades, which can happen sometimes too. So yeah, this is everything for today. Once again, subscribe to the channel and see you tomorrow. This will be the last stream of the week. I'm not gonna be doing this next week because to be honest, I'm just like not so concentrated when I'm streaming. So I want to focus once again more on the trading than actually streaming, since it's still the